Welcome everybody to another video by the Gift Team. Today we'll be talking about the third topic in behavioral finance, and that is biases. Uh, so with biases, it's basically a belief, cause, feel, or show inclination or prejudice for a side you may have on a certain topic or a certain subject. And we try to bring that into light because it can work both ways for trading. For example, we might have a long bias on Euro USD or gold, but during the intraday time frame, it might have a down move on both gold and Euro USD, for example. So our biases are derived from analyzing, but we always have to keep an open mind, be radically open minded. We got that from Ray Dalio in his book Principles. It's about always being aware and intuitive at what could happen if the price goes the other way, how to act, and how to trade on that. Even recently, we've had a few biases, but we've always traded the other side because we saw opportunities on the other side. If you look in our live streams or on our daily recaps, you can see that as well. Um, we talked about cognitive biases, which is egotistical, overconfidence, maybe it's about not getting out of your trade because you know you're right, but in that sense, it keeps going against you and you lose more and more. We talk about how to overcome that, talk about herd mentality, how it can work for you and against you. Like if everyone's selling off, just enter a short sell, go with the momentum, go with the volume injection intraday, go with the trend in when you're investing, such as Tesla, when it was going up on that, and really how to improve biases or really keep an open mind on the other possibility and even the herd mentality, what the herd's doing, if it's right for you, how to analyze it, but really how to take biases and make it work for you instead of against you.
Yeah, and that's a great point. I think this topic really hits home for the fact that every kind of bias that you see there, we've kind of gone through ourselves through our trading career. And we understand that it's not like you want to have these biases, but it's just natural human instinct that we have these biases. I mean, for myself, I think you always want to be different than the group. And I think we had a phase of being a contrarian trader, right? If the market goes up, you think it's way overvalued, then you take the opposite position. But in reality, you should be going with the momentum until the momentum dies, right? So these cognitive biases, or just biases in general, make you lose your legerity. And legerity means your nimbleness. And being nimble in the market is probably the most important kind of skill to train yourself through. It's not easy. I mean, nothing really is natural until you train it to a certain point that it becomes natural. So having the ability to be nimble and kind of think outside the box and not let your biases stop you from what is actually happening, especially if you're trading, you're looking at the intraday chart like Simar was saying. We might have a long bias on Euro USD or gold, but at the end of the day, too, if market structure on the intraday chart changes and is giving us new information, we need to utilize that information to take a quick scalp of some sorts instead of being stubborn with our idea. Maybe in the long run, yes, it's going to go up, but we're not in a swing trade here. So that doesn't really warrant us to not think on the other side as well. So just kind of take these this video is just a summary. Like I said, we'll go really in depth about this topic as well. So reach out to us, send us an email at Simar Bedi or Kyle Chan at Genco Institute for Trading.com. Talk to us, interact with us, live chat, or on our social media channels. And we love to kind of dig deep with this, talk about what you're going through, use you as a story as well, right? And then kind of so other traders, investors on our website know kind of what you're going through, because nine out of 10 times they've probably gone through the same thing, right? So it's relatable. So at least this reaches out to all our audience. But yes, reach out to us. Don't hesitate. All right. And thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.
Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.